A few moments later.
Do you remember how life was before we had smartphones and fast internet?
Oh yes, I do. I used to go to the library to do research on borrow encyclopedias, everything took more time.
Exactly. Nowadays, you can find any information in seconds. Just type it into Google or ask ChatGPT.
The internet has really become a basic need. It's not just for fun anymore. It's for education, work, and daily communication.
You're right. I even use it to check the news, weather, traffic, and of course for schoolwork.
Same here. I also use it to join online classes, submit assignments, and even collaborate with classmates through Google Docs.
Do you remember? During the pandemic, everything moved online. It was strange at first, but internet really saved us.
Yes, I had to get used to submitting online exams and submitting everything digitally. It was stressful but also a learning experience.
And even now, after the pandemic, I still prefer doing some things online. It saves time and energy.
Me too. I actually joined a free online course last month to improve my English speaking skills.
That's great. I've been learning Python programming through YouTube tutorials. There's so much knowledge out there for free.
That's the best part. You don't always need to pay for learning anymore. You just need a good internet connection.
And discipline, it's so easy to get distracted. You open YouTube for a tutorial, then watching cat videos.
I know that feelings. Social media is fun but dangerous if we're not careful with our time.
Speaking of that, do you track your screen time?
I started recently. I was shocked to see I spent over 5 hours a day just on Instagram and TikTok.
Wow, I try to keep mine under 4 hours. I turn off notification to avoid distractions when I'm studying.
Smart move. I think digitally well-being is becoming more important now. We need to balance our online and offline life.
Totally agree. Sometimes we forget to talk to people in real life because we're so focused on our phones.
Yes, I've seen families sitting together at dinner, but everyone's just staring at their screens.
That's sad, right? The internet should help us connect, not separate us.
Exactly, but to be fair, I also help us stay in touch with people who are far away.
I call my cousin in another province every week through WhatsApp video call. It's amazing how close we can feel despite any distance.
Same here, I have a friend studying in Australia and we still chat regularly.
Do you use the internet for making money too?
Yes, I offer design service on Fiverr. It's part-time, but I earn some extra money.
That's cool. I run a small online store selling phone accessories through Shopee and Instagram.
Nice. The internet really supports small business and freelancers.
Absolutely. And with digital payment system like QRIS or a wallet, transactions are super easy.
True. I really carry cash now. I just scan and pay.
But with all the good things, we also need to be aware of online dangers.
Yes, like scam, fake account, phishing emails, and cyberbullying.
That's why cybersecurity awareness is important. I use two-factor authentication and change my password regularly.
Me too. I also avoid clicking special links, even if they come from friends.
Do you think children should be allowed full access to the internet?
Not really. I think there should be limits. They can easily see inappropriate content or get addicted to games.
True, I believe parents should guide their kids and use parental controls when needed.
Exactly. The internet is a powerful tool, but young users need protection.
So, overall, would you say the internet is more of a blessing or a curse?
Definitely a blessing, but only if we use it wisely. It's like a knife, useful but dangerous if misused.
That's a good analogy. The key is responsible use. Don't let it control your life.
Yes, just get to learn, to grow, to create, and not just to scroll endlessly.
Well said. I'm glad we had this conversation.
Me too. Let's continue to be smart and responsible internet users.
Agreed. Thanks, Endang.
Yeah, thanks, Kesti.